Hello Primary 2. Today inshallah we will start new lesson. My lesson today is array. What is the meaning of array? Array is a kind of pattern contains of set of objects, shapes or numbers arranged in rows and columns with no gaps. So array again contains rows and columns with no gaps. For example, this example of array, this array of apple consists of rows and the columns. This array of apple consists of rows and the columns. Rows go across, okay, like this called row, and this called row. And we have here columns. This is called the column. Column go up and down. So here we have 1, 2, 3 rows. We have 1, 2, 3 rows, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. So this example of array. Another example of array. This array of poles. This array of poles consists of rows and columns. This is row, this is row, this is row, this is row. Okay? Row again go across, and this is column. Column go up and down. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 rows and 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. Example of non-array. This is the example of non-array. Why is this non-array? Because we have gaps here. We said before array consists of rows and columns with no gaps. But this consists of rows and columns, but we have gaps here. So this non-array. Another example of non-array. This is the array of carrots, but we have gap here. So this non-array. We have an example for array. Choose array or non-array. Say this array or non-array. This array or non-array. Choose. Super. This array. Why is this array? Because we have rows here and the columns with no gaps. Okay. Another example. This array or non-array. Okay. This non-array. Why is this non-array? Because we have gaps here. Okay. Another example. Say this array non-array. We have rows and we have columns, okay, with no gaps, so this array. Another example. This array or non-array. Yes, super. This non-array, because we have rows and the columns, but we have gaps here. We have gap here and we have gap here, so this non-array. You understand what the difference between non-array and array? Okay, goodbye and have a nice day.